Hi everyone, my name is Christian Lönner. I'm the CEO of Digital Metal in Sweden. These are turbulent times. I hope you all stay safe. Unfortunately, it means that we cannot meet you in person right now. So we decided to create a virtual event because we have exciting things to talk about at Digital Metal in the meantime. Binder jetting has been around and is getting more and more attention, and at Digital Metal we are early adopters of the technology. Since 2012 we've manufactured more than 500,000 parts. That's more than 500,000 parts. So we understand the process from powder to finished components. And 2020 will be a year packed with news from Digital Metal. Not only in the printing itself, but in the whole process. We believe that as a customer, you want to understand the whole process to get quality parts at the end of the day. So please stay tuned. I hope you will enjoy this virtual event, and until I will be able to meet you in person again, stay safe, take care, and see you soon.